Okay.
Are you saying hi?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. We're unboxing. Yes, you can go first.
Where are you guys unboxing?
I'm unboxing Terraria mystery figures. So
Show
Show the
Dad.
picture.
boom.
Cool.
Check it out.
You want scissors?
On garments. Look on the garments. And I am unboxing Ghostbusters
Nice.
There you go.
mystery pack. So I got a silver coin.
Silver coin?
Yep.
Does that mean something special?
No, it's just a different type of coin. I got the silver armor.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's an armor in the game.
Silver
Let's see.
armor?
Nice.
Yeah, and then I have my silver coin.
Cool.
Cool.
Oh, and
you go next.
instead of I am dig, it says fight with a sword.
Cool.
What?
Okay, you're gonna open. What did you get?
Yep.
Who
It's a
did
guy.
you get? You got a guy. What's his name? I don't know
Show
who
it.
that is.
Show it in the
Show
camera.
guy. Huh? I don't know who he is.
Me neither.
And
Now it's
I
Mommy.
am
What's she
going
got?
to open another science
Wait.
fiction
It's maybe
mystery
the
mini
mystery. No.
series 2 and see what we get this time.
Okay. So
Is that the ones that have Voltron?
Yeah.
Let's
See
hope.
if we get something good this time. We got to replace our Kirk since he seems to have gone missing.
Oh man.
I don't know where he went. Ooh, Barkley, lick this one. Oh,
Here's
it's
the
a
moment of
big
truth.
something or other. I think he might be an alien.
Uh-oh.
I think it might be an alien. Don't you want an alien? Do you want an alien? I think he's an alien.
Is it Gorn?
Ooh, it's an
Ooh!
alien.
Look at that. It's
Look
an alien from Aliens vs. Predator. Nice. I want him.
You want
Sweet.
him? Ew,
Yeah.
icky.
He's gross, but he's great. I need a Predator to go with him now.
An alien. I think the Predator's in the first one.
Nice.
These ones.
All right. So do I get to open one?
I didn't pull one out for you tonight.
Well, I want one. If you guys pull them, I always get one too.
I'll do the camera.
Okay,
I'll do
hang
the
on.
camera.
It's the Creo Transformers Micro Changers.
Okay.
Yeah, let's open this
This is
bad
Claire.
boy up. Back
Cool.
up, Casey.
Back up. Here, give me the
Let Mommy
camera.
have
No.
it.
Let me have the camera.
Okay. Who I
What
got?
did you get?
Who got? I'm not sure.
I think that's Rodimus.
It might be. Let's see.
Rodimus.
I think it might be Rod.
Hey, we get the van. We get the van back?
Yes, I think we did.
Alright. I think Casey's right. I think that is Rodimus Prime.
Yes. Can I? We got Rodimus.
I think so.
We
Did
got
we get the van back?
We got the
Awesome! We get the van back!
All right.
All right.
Everybody
All right.
say
Say
goodbye.
everybody say goodbye.